Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase alarm sound in your iPhone. So first of all, go to the settings of your iPhone, scroll down till you find sound and haptics. Now at the top you can see ringtone and alerts. So if it is just like this, then you need to simply take it to the right side to fully maximize the volume. Okay, if you have change with buttons enabled, then you can simply use the button from the sidebar in order to increase the volume. Okay, so this is the first thing. Now next thing you can do is search for the clock app. Okay, CLO clock app. Okay, now click on the alarm that you want to set up. Okay, suppose I want to set up this 5 o'clock alarm, so I will simply select it. Now at the bottom you can see sound option. Okay, so sound, make sure that it is a higher ringtone alarm is selected. Okay, radar or alarm. So there are few sounds there which are very high. Okay, so make sure that it is set to radar, alarm, or any other that you like. Okay, the other thing that you can do is make sure that do not disturb is not on and your silent switch is also not on. Okay, so these are the only ways where you will get the maximized volume in your alarm in the morning. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.